Ever wondered what secrets your car might be hiding? Here are features you probably didn't know about. First up, ever noticed the little arrow next to your gas tank light? It's not just for decoration. That arrow actually tells you which side of the car your gas tank is on, making those last-minute fuel stops a breeze. Next, have you ever seen your car's skidding symbol on the dashboard? That's your stability control in action. Standard on cars 2011 and newer, this feature helps keep you safe on slippery roads by preventing skids and slides. Drowsy driving is a major concern. That's why many modern cars come equipped with a drowsiness detector. If your car senses you drifting from your lane or approaching another vehicle too quickly, it'll alert you. Sometimes with a friendly coffee cup icon, reminding you to take a break and grab a Starbucks. Lastly, say goodbye to the old days of cruise control. Adaptive cruise control takes things to a whole new level. Using lasers, cameras, or radar, your car can now match the speed of the vehicle in front of you. But remember, even with this advanced feature, always stay alert and ready to take control. So next time you're behind the wheel, remember, your car might just have a few tricks up its sleeve to make your journey safer and more convenient.